Good morning, folks. This is Alan. I'm back, folks. After taking a few days, I'm back, folks. All right, folks, listen. Under the language of algebra, I already did addition for you. I did subtraction. Now it's the multiplication, folks. It's very easy, how you multiply a variable. For x and y, this is x dot y, that means multiplication. Alright? If I were to say x is equal 3 and y is equal 4, then you will have 3 dot 4, which is equal 12. You got it, folks? That's how it's applied. Alright, folks? And the same thing for x parenthesis times y parenthesis. So if x equal 3, so which is 3 in parenthesis times 4 in parenthesis, that's still equal 12, right, folks? The parenthesis means multiplication still, or you just can lay them next to one another. X, y, that's in multiplication. So if x is equal 3, sorry. If x is equal 3, and that one we have to put a time 4 is equal 12. Alright, folks? That's how it is for the language of multiplication. Under the language of algebra, that's how multiplication goes. Alright, folks? Alright. So very easy. So those numbers I put here doesn't mean nothing. Alright, folks? Just to say number 1, number 2, number 3. That's how it is, folks. Also, let me reiterate it. While you're doing this, the gasoline in your car is this. Okay? That's what they use to manufacture the gasoline. The gasoline is a chemical stuff, right? Mixed with fire and everything. So, the people working those things are chemical engineering and also chemists. So, when you become a chemist, you will see how you use this further down the line. If you're going to become a chemical engineer, you see how you use this. So that's what I mean, the gasoline in your car is this. The car you drive is this. The food, when you go to the supermarket, you load up your couch with food, is this. Because the food don't just get there. It's the people who went to school for farming. You have to go to school for farming, also agriculture. So they use this to bring the food to the supermarket. Alright, folks? Everything we're using is this. That's why they teach this all over the world, all over America, at an early age. Elementary school, every kid, that's what they're learning. You need to learn some of this stuff too. Everything you use, you touch is this thing. Alright, folks, let me erase. Okay, I can erase. I can erase it. Alright, folks? That's it for that part. I'm not gonna do more so I don't confuse you. Maybe I'll do a little bit next time. That's it for that part. Alright, folks? I'm gonna stay right here. So that's it for next time. Oh, okay, folks. In case you have a question for me, that's my name right there, Alan Lewis. My phone number is 627555907. In case you have a question for me, text me. Let me know how I can help you. And also, my phone number is my Zelle, folks. I always tell you that. I put that number up there just for those after spending 6 years in college, coming back trying to explain to you the concept of this stuff. So I put it there for those who want to compensate me for my hard work. Spending at 4 years in university studying mathematics, all right? Those who want to value what I do, appreciate what I do. So use my Zelle and Cash App to reward me. Thanks.